for departure. Followed by drink snacks for service with a wide selection of hot dishes for your dinner, duty free and many more. We just remind you there is a cashless flight, so only debit and credit card are accepted. For now, we just invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy your flight. Thank you.